With the quick selection tool, click on select subject. Once select properly, click on a mask. Go to adjustment layer and choose solid color. Let's choose a white color for now. Drag this layer to the back. Now choose the second image you want to create a double exposure with. Adjust to your preference, hit enter. Double-click right here to change the background color and pick the brightest color of the new image, hit OK. Come back to new image and change the blend mode from normal to screen. Hold the Alt key and click on the line between these two layers to create a clipping mask. To add more details to the subject, select the subject layer again, click on the adjustment layer icon and choose curve. Take the rightmost slider to the left. Now we don't want shadows to be faded, so take the left slider to the right little bit as well. Now we want trees to fade away, so you can select the mask right here. Take the brush and black as foreground color. Slowly erase the extras. So that's how you quickly create super simple double exposure effect.